Yes, hi Gemini. Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for July 4 to July the 7th, no? So, bilang pasasalamat, no? Kayo na inuna ko. Good job for the 100 plus likes, no? Ulitin niyo po uli, kayo unahin ko at medyo mas mahaba ang reading ninyo again bukod sa ibang zodiac dahil as my thank you to you, no? Let's go dive deep. Okay, so Gemini, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the um, notification bell para ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagla-live, no? And gumagawa po ng bagong video, no? At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron din po tayo din sa kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? Sa mga live, doon po ako nagla-live sessions. Ayan. So Gemini, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? So simulan na natin. Gemini, nakakakita ko dito na parang itong romance na iyong na-experience ngayon, hindi man siya ganun ka perfect. Meron mang mga challenges. Whether or not meron kayong pagkakaintindihan, hindi pagkakaintindihan, or you're in good terms. But I feel like merong kang nagawa na hindi pwedeng makalimutan or ipagsawalang bahala or ipagpalit, no, ni person. I feel like there's also somewhat magka-level kayo ng emotions. It could also be maturity. It could also be wisdom signified by the owl, no? And the number 8. 3 plus 5 is equals 8 with the loyal heart in here, and it felt like whatever the connection of you and your person, it felt like this is infinite, ano? Napakaganda dahil nakikita ko is meron bang katulad ng sabi ko mga challenges, it felt like kahit papano nananaig pa rin yung mga nagawa natin na maganda. I feel like you made a mark, no, kay person. With the building blocks in here, para po doon, kasi wala naman ako nakikita masyadong challenges so far, kasi wala pa naman yung mismong tarot deck or tarot cards. So far, kaya gine-generalize ko na, kung meron po kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan, I feel like itong connection never ceased, no? Hindi siya natapos, hindi siya matatapos, at never siyang mawawala, no? Sabihin na natin, hindi man kayo nag-uusap, hindi man kayo, unahin natin yung mga may challenges, ha? Hindi kayo nag-uusap, hindi kayo nagpapansinan, pwedeng may naka-block. All those are facades, no? Nakakita ko dito na at one point in time, or someday sooner probably, this person knows, or at least you know as well. I think that this is also a mirrored energy, that both of you are not going to forget each other, you know. Ibang klase pinagdaanan yung dalawa. There are a lot of learnings, happy moments, no? Para doon naman po sa mga walang challenges, it felt like meron ng realization, meron na ditong enlightenment na sinasabi natin na si person ay unti-unting nakikita ang future, no? um, kasama ka. Uh, I think meron ng mga plano, sinabi man or hindi, your person is already thinking of baka posibleng magkaroon kami ng experience for cohabitation. Ito yung living in together, no? Or kailan kaya ako magpo-propose? Or kailan kaya itong wedding namin? Or kailan kaya kami magkakaroon ng anak or dadagdagan yung anak? Ano? So there's something in here more of elevation and putting the connection into much more serious and committed relationships. Sa mga meron po ditong, sabihin natin, still single, or in a mutual understanding connection, no? I feel like if you and your person's going to be official, no? Imagine there's a lot of daydreaming, kind of like dream state in here. It could also signifies visualization. When it comes to visualization, this is part of the manifestation, no? So this is the starting point of your person, um, sabihin natin inspired, no, to create something wonderful in between the both of you. And I feel like nagsisimula na siya. Either mag-ipon, mag-invest ng time, i-acknowledge, no, itong situation or connection ninyong dalawa. There are, I feel like this was then, no? Kasi this is the then, this is the now, and also what we are going to have are more of yung future predictions, um, in the latter part, and a message, no? So I feel like dati siguro, pwede nating sabihin na hindi siya ganun ka-engaging, hindi siya ganun, hindi ka ganun ka importante sa kanya, no? Pero ang nakikita ko dito, it's a gradual process. It is a process not made or didn't happen overnight. Marami din tayong hinanakit, sakit, iyak, no? Na naranasan kay person. I think meron pa ditong inobserbahan natin siya, hinabol natin siya kung saan-saan just to check, no, if they are playing games. I'm also seeing in here na pwedeng you might also be in a third party situation then, no? That was then, all right? Sasagutin natin yan kung meron pa ngayon, what have you, no? But with the Wheel of Fortune and the Queen of Pentacles, with all the things that you do and did, no? With how much you invested your time with your person, I feel like hindi niya naman nakalimutan at hindi niya isinawalang bahala, no? Or isinantabi, no? Itong mga ginawa mo. That's the reason why there's a sudden switch of my emotion, no? Kumbaga, iniisip ni person, kanino pa ba ako makaka-experience, no? Ng ganitong klaseng pagmamahal, um, kay Gemini lang. Biruin mo naman, no? I think up to a point na you are there for them, even financially, no? Yung iba sa inyo nagagalaw pa itong savings nila to support the person. Again, I'm not seeing here um, that they abuse, no? Ginawa din naman natin yon because of how we love the person, no? And this is our way of showing I am here for you, I support you. Um, Again, hindi lang ito dahil sa pera. But that's one of the factor na bigla niyang naisip, uy, sino nga ba, no? Sino ba ako para pagtuunan ng pansin, no, ni Gemini? I feel like baka nakagawa din siya ng mga sabihin natin then humiram pero hindi naman talaga ginamit. Pero nakita ko dito yung katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, enlightenment, medyo nabagabag siya or nakonsensya siya. Um, Hindi ka naman niya tatakbuhan or tinakbuhan, but I feel like I may not have the capability not to give you um, what I owed you, no? Pero what I can do here is to at least palitan ito ng kabutihan, no? Kaya siguro ganun na lang din. Out of hiya, no? Um, Siguro sabi niya, hindi naman din talaga deserve ni Gemini, no? Pero yun na nga, things had been said and done. Nagawa na, may nasabi na, pero nagbago or magbabago, no? With the Five of Cups and the King of Cups, siguro one of our regret here is yung hindi lang siya ganun ka-vocal, hindi lang siya masyadong expressive katulad ng inaasahan natin. We may be on the level of vocally and in a 3D world action-wise, no, expressive kung gano'n natin siya kamahal. Sometimes the person might keep their silence, pero nakikita naman natin siya through actions, no? Pero siyempre, bilang Gemini, sometimes we feel, 'di ba? Mas masarap yung naririnig natin bukod sa ginagawa, 'di ba? Mas maganda siguro kung nagsi-sync. Merong mga or most of the times hindi sync, no? Sometimes nafi-feel natin na bakit ganyan siya kumilos, no? Either one of the two, pwedeng sinasabi niya yung nararamdaman niya pero yung kilos naman niya is hindi naman din nagsi-sync. That was then, ha? Again, we're talking about the previous, no, chapters. Um, or pwedeng puro action naman siya. Parang, uy, parang binigyan mo naman ako ng kape. Lagyan mo naman ng asukal, no? Ang pakla, no? With the Five of Cups, the Hermit, and the Three of Wands. Wow, we stayed in the connection, um, hoping, praying, wishing that your person is going to have an enlightenment. And ito na nga, with the Hermit card, no? I feel like also the enlightenment was given by you. No, ikaw yung nag-hand over nitong sinasabi nating lampara, no? The enlightenment. And your person took it, no? I'm speaking in metaphor dahil ito ay iyong mga ginawa na parang sinabi mo sa kanya, o bahala ka dyan kung anong makita mo, no? And nakita niya yung kabutihan ng puso, no, ni Gemini. The anxiety and worry. So ngayon, no, para doon po sa mga in separation, baka kasi inyo pong kayo nag-aalala, no, kung babalik pa ba siya, kung magkakaayos pa ba kayo. Just so you know, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi naman nagbago itong pakikitungo niya or pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Yung pakikitungo pwede. You already set the bar, no? Never kanyang makakalimutan. For those na wala namang problema, Geminis na medyo smooth naman yung sailing, no, ng inyong connection. Baka kasi nag-aalala ka saan papunta itong relasyon na ito, no? Ah, don't worry dahil ang nakikita ko dito is you're heading towards to a committed relationship. That's for sure kasi meron na nga siyang naiisip, no, ng mga plano, pwedeng plano kung paano bumawi kay Gemini, pwedeng plano kung paano i-elevate itong relasyon ninyong dalawa. Gemini with the Four of Cups, the Six of Wands. I feel like meron ka rin mga request, no? Request demands towards your person or pwedeng itong inner thoughts, it could be prayer, wishes, no? Spells, no? That your person wanted to do. Pero you feel like, bakit hindi naman niya ginagawa? Gagawin ba niya? Kasi matagal ko nang sinasabi, no, yung mga request na ito, baka pwede naman tayo mag-out of town, no? Baka pwede naman tayong kumain sa labas na tayo lang. Baka pwede naman na um, yung mga maliliit na bagay, no? Ayusin mo yung bubong, no? Or ihatid ako sa ganyan. No? Pero parang never pa niyang ginagawa or hindi niya ganun ka-frequent ginagawa. Tas feeling mo is, meron ba akong halaga? May halaga ba yung mga sinasabi ko? No? But I'm seeing that this is the time that your person is about to grant, about to sabihin natin here, no? What you said, the Nine of Cups and the King of Swords. I think, no, ang tanging priority ni person dito is mapasaya ka, protektahan ang connection, protektahan ang puso mo, no? It felt like talagang ang laki ng pinagbago or ang laki ng pagbabago dito, no? Parang napapansin mo na hindi ka papabayaan, hindi ka bibigyan ng hindi naman sa sama ng loob dahil, you know, we are all imperfect in our own little way. Pero yung sa kanya, as much as possible, no, nabasa ko na si Gemini, kaya hindi ko na gagawin yung mga bagay na parang alam kong ikasasama, no, ng loob niya. Gemini with the Six of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles. Parang yung binigay niya sa'yo or yung ibibigay niya sa yung abundance, sinasabi niya dito na it's for keeps, no? Yung binigay mo sa akin learnings, enlightenment, it's also for keeps, no? Hindi ko makakalimutan, hindi kita makakalimutan, hindi ko ipagsasawalang bahala, hindi ko itatapon, no? At yung mga binigay ko sa iyo, whether it is sabihin nating bagay, or it could also be energetic, no? I want you to know that I give it willingly, no? Sayong-sayo siya, sayong-sayo ako, no? And I think that para tayong nagpalitan ng puso, no? Hindi man ako ganun ka-perfect, lalo na dati. Ngayon, pwede kong sabihin sa iyo na secure ka sa puso ko, no? So, napakaganda ng reading, Gemini. Bonus yun ha. Ngayon, meron pang bonus. Kasi, dahil like kayo ng like at nakaabot tayo sa 100 plus like, no? So, meron kayong bonus pa. This is beyond romance, no? or mamaya na 'to, kunin ko muna ang gustong sabihin ni person, 'no? Gustong sabihin ni person sa'yo. I miss you, but I don't have the time right now. Doon po sa mga may separations, 'no? Sabihin na nating busy. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko, hindi ka nakalimutan, hindi ka makakalimutan, may mga ginagawa lang, 'no? Doon po sa mga wala naman pong problema, um, gusto nilang sabihin dito na wala man akong oras, 'no, sa mga bagay na dating hindi ko binibigay. It could be that I missed the opportunity, pero hindi ko nahahayaang pang patagalin. I think that your person also wants to implies that kahit nasaan siya, 'no, lagi kang nasa isip. Parang excited lagi umuwi, 'no, si person para sa'yo. What is the message of the universe for Gemini? Accept where you are at this moment in time. Only then can you begin to move forward. Be clear about your intentions. This makes us easier for us and the universe to help you. Doors will open unexpectedly, so be ready. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko, no? Merong, hindi lang ito in-orchestrate or hindi lang ito ginawa ninyong dalawa or most likely ginawa mo, in-orchestrate ito ng someone higher, no? I think na nakikita mo na rin unti-unti itong mga pagbabago, no? Na parang umaayon sa'yo ang panahon dahil meron kang ang reward at marami pang mga blessings, no? Na pwedeng dumating at ipararating para sa'yo, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. These could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Capricorn. Yan, no? Yan. So, like what I promised, you have a bonus reading. Dahil sa generous ninyong paglalike. So, our goal is, how about 200 likes, no? Tingnan natin. Alam kong kaya nyo yan. Wala namang yung gagawin. I-click nyo lang yung like. Spiritual strength. Balance. Temptation. You know what? I feel like munti ka na kayong bumitaw sa mga bagay-bagay. Especially when it comes to life per se. Feeling ninyo masyado kayong challenged. Feeling ninyo dumating talaga yung time na nandun kayo sa rock bottom, no? Whether it is romance, financial, job-wise, no? Baka dumating pa dun sa part na, ay, naghahanap pa rin ako ng trabaho. Search no more. Kasi eto na yung time na parang sabi nga nila, kung sinusubukan tayo, ibig sabihin meron talagang reward. Nandito na yung parang pagbabalanse ng mga bagay, especially kapag nung nakarating tayo sa darkest places, no, ng ating buhay. Muntik-muntik na yung iba na either bumitaw sa buhay, to whatever extent, no, you want, parang i-define iyon. I don't wanna go to the extreme, but you know what I mean. Pero hindi, no, hindi ako sumuko. It felt like, yes, you are being tested, nakapasa tayo, no, sa test. So it's our graduation, the wisdom, and the solar plexus chakra. So I feel like when it comes to also health, um, siguro medyo tingnan-tingnan natin itong abdomen natin, baka laging humahapdi, no? But I feel like there's also something in here about the core. Wag natin din papabayaan kung ano man yung mga ipinaglalaban natin when it comes to wisdom, no? When it comes to our thought, no? Let's stand our ground. If we need to voice out, something, then we need to, we have to, and we must. You are being pushed para i-express itong iyong nararamdaman. Ipakita, no, ang talent at itong um, talino, no, na binigay sa iyo ng may kapal. Gamitin ito ng tama as well. With a solitude in here, for a few numbers of you, I think the more, especially on the, itong mga nakaraang mga linggo, wala tayong ganang makipag-socialize, no, to a point na baka hindi tayo masyadong nag-propose. We're thinking about ano ba ang nangyayari, no, sa buhay at ano ang pwede kong gawin para maging makabuluhan ang aking buhay. There may be a lot of things, no, na you would love to do. Simulan na. Ito yung time. Wishes will be fulfilled, ika nga. At ang nakikita ko dito, for a few numbers of you, you might probably make a mark. You'd probably make yourself proud, no? Kaya itigil na ang procrastination, kumilos na, take advantage of the time. So this is your bonus reading, and Gemini, again, maraming salamat. 200 likes, uulitin natin yung ganito kahaba with a bonus reading, no? Kaya i-click na ang like ngayon pa lang. Gemini, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, again, you're very much welcome. Pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Gemini, kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na tanong lang, sa description box po, meron po dong link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website or page, no? Nandun po yung information, how to ask a question, how much is it, how much per question. And I also wanted to know that meron ako dong promotion na 4 questions plus 1, no? So Gemini, nandun din po ang aking service for personal or private reading. So pakihanap na lang po yung information, no? And this is your reading again. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading, no? So, maraming salamat. Again, 200 likes dito sa video na to, uulitin natin lahat, no? Ganito kahaba, ganito kaganda, ganito ka-precise. 200 likes. Goodbye.